Hey everyone, this is Michael Jacobs, your Central Florida Realtor. This is a virtual tour of this stunning house for sale at 358 Sand Ridge Drive in Davenport, Florida. This beautiful 5 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home comes with a private pool and spa that overlooks a serene conservation area. Step inside and be amazed by this fully furnished home, ready to rent with future bookings that will convey to the new owner. Perfect for both residential living and short-term rentals, this well cared for home is a true gem. As you enter, you'll find a formal dining room leading to a spacious family room that seamlessly flows into the open plan kitchen with a breakfast bar and nook. Imagine yourself entertaining guests in this lovely space. Step outside through the sliding doors to the private enclosed pool and spa, complete with an extra large patio and a fully screened in deck. Enjoy the Florida sunshine in peace and privacy as there are no rear neighbors. The ground floor boasts one master bedroom with a private full bath, while the other bedrooms are located upstairs. The grand master ensuite on the second floor features a tray ceiling, easily accommodating a king-size bed, a walk-in closet, and a luxurious bath with dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a standalone shower. There's another master ensuite bedroom on the second floor, along with two twin rooms that share a common full bath. Need some extra space? The loft can be customized as an office, arcade, or a cozy reading room. Don't forget to check out the garage. It was transformed into a fun games room for endless entertainment. Updates are not lacking in this home. With a new roof and AC replaced in 2021, as well as a new pool heat pump, this house is truly move-in ready with all the modern conveniences you could ask for. If you're impressed by this description and eager to see this beautiful home in person, or if you're interested in buying or selling a home in the area, don't hesitate to leave a comment below or contact me directly. Your dream home in Florida could just be a click away. Thanks, everyone.